Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bloktopia update for Tuesday 22 of February, and here I am into the charts once again with Bloktopia. And I remember previously talking about how we're making this kind of a channel right there. I'm on the 4 hour time frame, and so far we've seen Bitcoin trying to dump to the downside. We've seen some nice green candles trying to make people actually invest in it, but I'm really not invested into these green candles. Now, one thing about this channel though is that it really didn't touch the line right there, but still there's a possibility for it to actually come down, touch the line at the 16, and then have a reaction potentially to the 19, and then continue like this in this channel. So that's what I'm actually thinking about Bloktopia at this point of time. We do have resistance still, but it's possible for us to actually visit this blue line down the road in the future. So it does come to this 16 there, and then from here have a reaction a little bit to go to the 20, or potentially that blue line right there, and that would still be an amazing trading opportunity if it does, if you do take it, like 19 to 20% of a trading opportunity that would be. And but it's still very risky, guys. It's still really risky, as long as you still have this technical target out of the bear flag. It's actually going to be a very risky trade, so be very cautious. And yeah, right now I don't know if Bitcoin is looking it's looking a little bit good actually. It's trying to get some sort of a bottom right there. So if I dive into the 1 hour time frame, there is some sort of a double bottom forming up for Bloktopia at this point of time, and we do have a morning star, so you could still have a small reaction from here actually to go to the upside, and potentially even go to that yellow line, and instead of us going all the way down to touch even this lower support of it, because you're forming one bottom and then the second bottom. So that's kind of a little bit positive about the coin itself. But still, let's see what it does. It's kind of too early to say if we're actually going to go to the upside. But even if you were to go to the upside, this is the resistance you're looking for at the 20, or potentially the 21 right there, and then hit your head and then continue with the dump probably in the next coming future as well. So you do have some sort of an morning star right there a little bit here, but then again, it all depends on how Bitcoin behaves, and it's very risky at this point of time to trade anything. There's a lot of weird news going on. There's a lot of war going on. I don't know, Ukraine and Russia are trying to fight off with one another, just like that, and people are so fearful, and everything is going down basically. So to me, I'm just gonna wait until this technical target is getting met, and at least on the weekly though, because on the higher time frame it's way more better to confirm something. I just want to show you that you have 6 more days to actually close this candlestick. Do you see that? So in the next 6 days, anything can happen. You can just continue to the downside to the 13 and make 3 black rows right there, and then boom, you just continue just like you did during this time right there. Just what you did here could be a repetition again of doing the same thing down there, and then finally you bottom out of this area, and then you start to actually go to the upside, and the time that we've been waiting for actually plays out. You just come down to this bottom, touch the bottom, and then you continue its journey back to the upside. Yeah, so that's it for today's Bloktopia update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.